Webflow provides flexible ways to incorporate custom HTML, CSS, and JavaScript into your designs. There are three main approaches: the custom code element for targeted additions, the embed element for broader content, and direct insertion through page or site settings for global effects. The custom code element is perfect for adding targeted enhancements to specific sections of your page. You'll find it in the Add panel, where you can insert HTML, CSS, or JavaScript that applies only to that element's location. For broader content integration, use the embed element from the Add panel. This method lets you paste complete HTML snippets that render exactly as written, making it great for embedding external content like galleries or media players. When you need global functionality like analytics tracking or site-wide styles, use the custom code sections in site settings for the entire site or page settings for individual pages. Choose between head and body placement based on when your code needs to execute. To summarize, use the custom code element for specific page enhancements, the embed element for standalone HTML content, and page or site settings for scripts that affect multiple pages or the entire site. Each approach serves different embedding needs in your Webflow projects. The custom code element is found in the Add Elements panel. Drag it onto your canvas to insert HTML, CSS, or JavaScript snippets directly into your page layout. This method is ideal for adding interactive elements or custom styling to specific sections of your site. Ensure your code is valid to avoid breaking the page. Use relative paths for assets and test in preview mode. The embed element in Webflow is perfect for adding static content like iframes, maps, or videos. You paste your raw HTML directly into the element, and Webflow displays it exactly as written. This is great for content that doesn't need dynamic scripting. For scripts that might cause layout changes, place them in page settings instead to ensure smooth loading and prevent shifts. For site-wide scripts like Google Analytics that need to run on every page of your Webflow site, navigate to Site Settings and select Custom Code. For page-specific scripts that only need to run on certain pages, access the page settings for that specific page and select Custom Code. When adding scripts, place those needed early in the page load, such as styles or critical JavaScript, in the head section. Scripts for interactions that can wait until after the page loads go before the closing body tag. Webflow automatically manages the loading order of your scripts to prevent conflicts and ensure smooth performance. You can connect custom code with your Webflow CMS using data attributes. These attributes allow your JavaScript to target specific CMS collections and interact with the data dynamically. Leverage Webflow's JavaScript API to build dynamic embeds. The API provides methods to access CMS data, handle events, and update content in real time based on user interactions. This example shows how to get Webflow CMS data into custom JavaScript using data attributes. Notice the custom attributes like data orderable ID that allow JavaScript to access specific collection items. Always ensure your custom code is responsive by wrapping it in media queries. This allows your embeds to adapt to different screen sizes, maintaining usability across devices. This illustration demonstrates responsive design concepts, showing how the same content adapts to different devices using media queries in your custom code. Webflow strips certain tags, like script tags in rich text fields, for security reasons. This prevents potential vulnerabilities from user-generated content. For complex code that includes scripts, use the embed element instead. This allows you to paste raw HTML, CSS, or JavaScript directly into your design. If you need complete control over your code, export your Webflow project. This gives you access to all HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files for further customization. Always start with Webflow's native elements before resorting to custom code. This helps maintain optimal site performance and clean structure. While third-party script conflicts are occasional issues, Webflow's sandboxing features mitigate them by isolating code execution, monitoring for problems, and analyzing performance. Webflow now integrates AI tools to auto-generate embed code, simplifying the process of adding custom elements like forms. Webflow DevLink allows bidirectional syncing with external code repositories like GitHub, enabling developers to embed complex HTML/JS without disrupting the no-code workflow. This supports hybrid workflows where users paste HTML snippets and AI optimizes them for responsiveness. When embedding custom code in Webflow, prioritize accessibility by including ARIA attributes in your HTML elements. These attributes help screen readers and assistive technologies understand your content better. Webflow automatically flags custom scripts that impact core web vitals, including loading performance, interactivity, and visual stability. Ensure your embedded code doesn't slow down these metrics. Webflow automatically minifies your custom code and optimizes it through their CDN, which can improve load times by up to 20% for sites with heavy embeds. Implement stricter content security policy controls for your embedded scripts to prevent cross-site scripting attacks and other security vulnerabilities. Regularly audit sites with many custom embeds to identify and resolve performance issues before they impact user experience.